afternoon and welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class we'll be talking about grouped frequency data, where we'll be talking about mean, median, mode, and quartiles of grouped frequency data. Now, in grouped data, the class interval is used for the X column, which is the mean of grouped data. So we have the mean of grouped data to be summation of fx over summation of f. This is summation of fx over summation of f. Here we have summation of our frequency over summation of cumulative frequency over summation of our frequency itself. Summation of cumulative frequency over summation of frequency. Now, for the median, it is calculated by forming a frequency tables which contains the columns for the items frequency, cumulative frequency, and class boundaries using the formation below. Now, for median, we have it to be L1 plus N over 2 minus FB over F, all into bracket C. We have it to be L1, where we have our L1 to be the lower class boundary of the median class. We have our N to be the total frequency. We have our FB to be the cumulative frequency. We have our F to be the frequency of the median class. And we have our C to be the weight of the median class. Have it to be the weight of the median class. Now, for the mode. Mode is represented as L1 into bracket fx over fx plus fy. C. We have it to be mode to be L1 plus fx over fx plus fy into bracket C. In continuing, we'll be solving examples on it. Now we have quartiles. Now in a quartile, usually we have a lower quartile and the highest quartile. We have the lower quartile, we have the upper quartile. Now, a lower quartile is represented as Q1, which is L1 plus N over 4 minus M1 over F1 C1. This is for the lower quartile, where we have our N to be the total frequency values. L1 to be lower limit of the first quartile class. We have F1 to be the frequency of the first quartile class. We have M1 to be the cumulative frequency. And we have our C as usual to be the weight of the first quartile class. Now, for the upper quartile is now Q3, which is equals to L3 plus 3n over 4 minus m3 over f3 at C3. Where we have our L3 to be the lower limit of the third quartile class, our n as usual to be the total frequency values, our m is the cumulative frequency of the third quartile class, our f is the frequency of the third quartile class, and the C is the weight or size of the third quartile class. Now, we have an example to solve today, where we have a table showing the weight distribution of 40 men in a games village, where we have our weight in kg and we have the frequency, and we have to prepare the frequency table we have to prepare the frequency table, and to find our median, we have to find our median. Now we have weight and we have the frequency. Yep, we have 1102, 118, 1192, 127, 128 to 136, 137 to 145, 146 to 154, 155 to 163, 163 to 172. So these are the weights. We have 9, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, and 12. So now we have to prepare first a frequency table. Here we have the class boundaries, we have the frequency, and we have the cumulative frequency. So we have the class boundary, we have the frequency, and we have the cumulative frequency. So here we have it to be 110.5 to, that to be 109.5 to 118.5. There is 9. We have 118.5 to 127.5. Here we have it to be 3. We have 127.5 to 136.5, where we have it to be 4. We have 136.5 to 145.5, where we have it to be 5. We have 145.5 to 154.5, we have it to be 2. We have 154.5 to 163.5, we have it to be 5. And we have 163.5 to 172.5, we have it to be 12. So for the cumulative frequency, we have 9, we have 12, we have 16, we have 21, we have 23, we have 28, we have 40. Now, what we've prepared the frequency, we now we have to look for the median class. Now, in our median class, what's our median class? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is our median class. We have it to be our median class. Here we have it to be 5 and 21. Now, in this case, we all know that our median is L1 plus N over 2 minus FB over F all into C. Now, what is our L1? Our L1 is 136.5, which is the lower class boundary of the data. So our N, the N is the total frequency value. We have N to be the total frequency values. And here we have it to be 40. Our N is 40. Then our FB. Our FB is the number before the median class. It is the frequency, cumulative frequency before the median class. So we have our FB to be 16. Then our F, we have it to be the frequency, which is 5. And we have the C to be the upper class boundary minus the lower class boundary, where we have it to be 145.5 minus 136.5. So here we have it to be 9.0. Now, solving it, we have L1 plus N over 2 minus FB over F all in C. So our L1 here is 136.5 plus N is 40 over 2 minus 16 over 5 all into C. So we have here to be 20, that's 136.5 plus 20 minus 16 over 15 into bracket 9. So we have 136.5 plus 4 over 15 times 9. So we can solve here 3 here 3 here is 5. So we have, that will now be 136.5 plus 12 over 5. So 12 over 5, we have it to be 136.5 plus 2.4. We have it to be 2.4. So here we have it to be 138.9. So our median class here is 138.9. And this brings us to the end of today's class on the mean median mode of group data, where we've explained the formulas of mean median mode, and we've explained the formula of quarters, where we have the lower quarter and the upper quarter. We've solved an example where we've explained how to solve the median class of a particular frequency. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.